Oh hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in Hau ula at a new listing of my own in Stephanie Band's. This house is a 4-bed, 4-bath, just under 2,600 square feet, right here on the water. I just went for a swim right out the back. If you want to be able to swim, you want to be able to go paddle, fish right off the back, this is the house to make it happen. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so the first level of this house, this is a nice little kind of entertaining setup. It's got really easy to clean tile floors here. 2-car garage right here. There's a lot of parking out front, so there's spots for maybe about 4 cars. And then if you kind of hook to the left, there's more storage over there. So very, very functional. Full bath with a shower over there. Let's cruise upstairs. Okay, so we're coming up to, this would be the main level of the house. And here, this is, entertaining room slash kitchen slash living room. Really awesome kitchen, elevated ceiling, beautiful glass windows. These windows were recently replaced. You got fresh windows in here. We're obviously looking at the beautiful Pacific Ocean. On this level, there are 3 bedrooms. So we come over here, you got 1 bedroom here, and this is pretty cool. So when you're in the bedroom, if you're looking this way, you have beautiful mountain views. So obviously we got the ocean views on this side over here because we're right on the water. But then look this way, you're looking at the beautiful, beautiful green mountains that are the backdrop of Hau ula. So we have split AC in this house, which is great for, it's probably the most functional in my opinion because you don't have to cut on all the rooms. Full bathroom right here. This in between the bedrooms, obviously washer and dryer right here. Another good sized bedroom. This is a king bed for size purposes with another split AC. And then you come over here and this would be the other bedroom. Killer ocean views. This one has an ensuite, full bath. Yeah, so you got 2 sinks over here, dual sinks. You got a full range oven. Obviously, this looks like a restaurant grade hood there. Great spot for having dinner, for kind of hosting. Elevated ceilings. I mean, this is a really unique living room setup, and it's just, I don't know, it's really, really cool setup. Massive fridge here, massive fridge. And so actually I'm gonna grab a water now that we're here. And then there's a good sized pantry right here. Bing bang, and then it looks like more right here too. A lot of storage in this house. Let's cruise up to floor number 3. And there's actually built-in speaker system throughout the house. This is really sweet. This is like a lounge setup here. I mean, someone could make this a home office. You could make this like a little gaming room setup, maybe like a kid's play zone, whatever. But I mean, really up here, this is kind of, the whole floor is really sweet because it's not like this is a bedroom. We have this as a lounge or an office setup. Full bath right here, walk-in shower, all nicely tiled. Obviously, this is the money shot right here. This is what it's all about. Once again, you got split AC up here. So as you can see, I mean, this bedroom is pretty baller. We're basically right over top of the water. There's 2 beds in here right now. Owners have a big family. However, obviously you could just you could have a king in here, and this could be set up for, 1 bed setup. This place could be tricked out pretty well. And obviously this is what it's all about. I mean, doesn't get much more relaxing than this. Super private. The owners, one of the owners, he's a fisherman. He fishes right off the back here. There's some guys fishing right over there. You're basically surf casting here, and this is set up right here actually to keep your pole in, and then you just chill, you know, have a drink. Just come here, have a cup of coffee in the morning, and I don't know, it's pretty awesome. Okay guys, so we just hit up the Kiwi Corner, which is incredible. I was randomly going up to meet my buddy Sean Janella at a listing of his up this way, and I'm like, oh, meat pies, Kiwi Corner. Stop, this is one of the true hidden gems of Oahu. If you've been to Australia or New Zealand, Kiwi obviously is New Zealand, but these meat pies, so it's like these pastries, these flaky pastries. This one is a chicken curry one. So we got this one and we got steak and onions. So first we'll have the chicken curry. Check it out. There's like a curry inside this flaky dish. Incredible. I mean, for the Hawaii meat pie scale, that's a 10, because I don't know anywhere else you can get them. And I'm sure that would be the bomb in New Zealand. The people are from New Zealand, they're legit Kiwis. So this one is steak and onions. So we got chicken curry, we got steak and onions. When I look at that, it looks kind of intense because it's like this kind of like gooey look, but it's really, really good. The flavor is really good. If I had to eat one of these, I'm probably gonna go steak and onions. That was a bomb. This is good too. So anyway, check out the Kiwi Corner right here in Hauula. Here we are at the Hauula Kai Town Center. Here you got this is like the main shopping center for Hauula. You got Longs, you got Tamoras, you got Domino's, you got, what's this place called again? Papa Ole's. Papa Ole's is legit, and North Shore Tacos, which is actually super legit too. They've got one of those at Sharks Cove as well. That place is really good. But anyway, this is like the main shopping center here. Tamora's has one of the best wine selections on the island. I've talked about that in prior videos. They also have some bomb poke. So if you need to just come and get little essentials, this is the spot to come in Hauula. Okay guys, so in the past 6 months, just so we can go over some data for Hauula, there's been 12 sales ranging from 700K, which that actually was me as a single family house. There's actually 2 houses on one lot, but needed a ton of work, to 3 million. So you got 700K to 3 million. And then there's 23 active homes ranging from, like, if we're not counting Hawaiian homestead, which is you have to be on a list, you have to have 50% Hawaiian blood. So let's just say about 800K entry point, 2-bedroom house. And then the highest price one is just down the street, 53-H4841 Kamehameha. That's 5.88 million. And that's an 1,800 square foot house on under 7,000 square foot lot. So we're here at 2.498 with actually a bigger house for less than half the price. So definitely come check us out. Stuff's moving up here in Hauula. You know, it's just an incredible area up here. It's always really relaxing coming up here. One of my favorite things about this area is like the proximity to the North Shore. So, you know, easy 20 minutes, you're right at all the best surf spots on Oahu, but it's like a cruise 20, you know, like unless there's road work, there's no traffic, and you can stop at the food trucks in Kahuku. You can stop in, you know, there's a lot of good spots to get food, but mainly my favorite spots will obviously be the food trucks in Kahuku or Kiwi Corner. Hauula is awesome. Hit us up if you got questions. Hit me up. Go to lifeonoahu.com. Please subscribe to the channel if you got any questions. And again, thanks for checking it out. I'm going to go for a swim. Have a good day.